What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today we're going to be learning the drop spin. There's two different prerequisites that you can know before you begin learning this move, and that is the reverse vertical 8, so that you can throw it up into the drop spin, or a big J, so you can also throw it up into the drop spin. Now let's learn the move. There's 2 points on the star that you're going to want to become familiar with, and that is 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. To begin the move, you're going to be grabbing the star at the bottom at 6 o'clock, and you are going to be dragging it up to 12 o'clock. Once you're in the 12 o'clock position, your hand is going to release, and you are going to trace the star as it's spinning. So release, trace the star, and your hand is going to end up flat in the 6 o'clock position again, so you can re-grip and pull around. Release, follow. Grip, pull around, release, follow. Here's it slowed down. The important thing to remember is that your hand is going to be following the star the entire way around, so you're going to be moving your hand in the shape of the star, so we won't be staying in one particular spot. And that, my friends, is the drop spin. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Ciao!